The death of a local homeless man has many in the city of Bemidji talking about the issues faced by Bemidji's homeless. 63-year-old Adalbert James Ryan was found dead in Lake Bemidji on Friday. Lacey Monteleone is now live in the studio with more. Lacey, what can you tell us tonight?
Well, Dennis, the cause of death for Ryan, who is known by his friends as Butch, has yet to be determined. But today, Ryan's friends are grieving his loss, yet hoping his death shines light on the number of homeless in Bemidji and the issues they face. At People's Church in Bemidji, it's hard to find anyone who didn't know Butch Ryan.
Butch was the nicest guy that I ever met. I helped take care of him, and he was a real good man.
I was planning on getting married, and I was talking with him about being my best man. You know, that's how close we had became.
His death came as a shock to those who knew him.
That hurt. I shed a tear. Couple of them.
Bemidji Police Chief Mike Maston says the cause of Ryan's death is still being investigated.
Nothing at this particular scene seemed out of the ordinary or seemed that foul play was an issue, but you never know until you fully investigate it.
During the winter months, places like the People's Church provide shelter for the local homeless.
The fall time, I think it's after Labor Day, people will be able to start sleeping there because it's getting too cold.
But in the summer, fewer places are available, even fewer for homeless men, who in many cases fall through the cracks.
Oftentimes our officers come into contact with the homeless population, most of the time based on calls from citizens who call us about a concern for their welfare.
And Maston says those calls can use up a lot of time officers could be spending elsewhere.
It's not illegal just to sit on a park bench all day long. You know, it's not illegal to be intoxicated sitting on a bench. You know, it's not illegal to just ask for $1.
Staff at the People's Church agree that more needs to be done to keep people off the streets.
A lot of them too, they probably need a lot of mental illness care or drug or alcohol repair.
And many wonder if a program for homeless men could have helped Ryan, who was a friend to so many.
We'd talk all night long about, you know, the war. You know, he was a vet.
Maston says a detox center in the Bemidji area could help decrease stress on the police department. Currently, the nearest one is Pine Manor, which is an hour-and-a-half away. Dennis.
Okay, thank you very much, Lacey, for that live report tonight. A service for Ryan is planned for this week at the People's Church.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.